Alright, welcome back to Nioh 2. And last video, was kind of dreadful. We died a fuck ton amount of times to some dumbass snake unicorn, but hey, that's all good. That's all good. We got past it. I don't want to count how many deaths, but we got past it. That's all that matters. Anyways, we got some new submissions here, and it looks like we can go to the next region. Not gonna do that yet. I want to finish everything up here. Got something new in the dojo. Oh, we can get a wooden sword. I don't know how good that's gonna be. We can get more ninja locks. Nioh Mage's lock. I don't know what the fuck that is, but we'll learn. Some new at the shrine. Oh, I can level up, obviously. I don't think... Yeah, never used my Amrita as something to level up with. Let's go more strength. So we like to punch the fuck out of shit. Oh, is online gonna work finally? Oh, it looks like here you guys can't see it, but I have to combine my Epic and Steam account real quick, I guess, for the crossplay. Makes sense. I am playing this on PC, if you did not know already. Oh, we're online now. Look at that. Ha! Right as I say, don't know if it works or not. Alright, well, let's see what we got here. Okay. Seems somehow we have two of those, I guess, question mark. A favor for the blacksmith. Am I insane? Why shouldn't it be showing other ones? Am I not scrolling through that right? Oh, yep, I'm a dumbass. We already know this. Alright, so we finished that one. Alright, yeah, so we just got some missions to do. So let's just jump right into one. Let's see what the lowest level one is. Alright, a favor for the blacksmith. Let's jump into this one. I'm gonna try not to record for like 40 minutes. I mean, that's gonna depend, obviously if I die a ton or not, but... Alrighty, look at us, we're back! I turned up the brightness also. I figured, that might help a lot. Because, yeah, I feel like the game has kind of looked very dark for some of you. Well, for myself even, when I reviewed some of the videos. I'm still pretty new to YouTube, so bear with me. I'm pretty learning. This is going to be like my first ever, spiel. I don't want to summon anyone. I'm not about that. Let's go. Let's just go right in. See what the hell is going on. Oh, it's these guys. Oh, and I'm mid-stance. Didn't mean to be. Gonna fix that. I have not played in like 2 days, so I'm probably gonna be rusty. Let's go up here. Hello. God damn. Climb a ladder quick. Oh, we're kind of... Oh, what the fuck? Alright. I know what to do here. I know what to do. I don't got any of that demon shit in me right now, I guess. Don't kill me. Okay, you're killing me. I just said don't kill me. Alright, stop. Stop hurting me. It hurts! It hurts! That's not what I want to do. Works anyways. Nice. Already dying to the first enemy. This is going to be great. Let's go... Hello? Oh. It's this person. Hi. So said I came, but it turns out there's not. Let's see. I'll take care of things here. You head down to the village. Seriously, are you still dawdling here? Well, since you're useless on your own, I'll tag along. You have joined forces with Nioh. Oh, that's cool. We can have a little partner. Alright, come on, partner. Come on. tried to get the drop on me. I got the drop on him. Alright. You know what we gotta do here. We gotta give him the fucking falcon punch. Oh fuck. Oh, I have to block first. Oh god. Oh god, I'm so rusty. Oh, hey, maybe I'm not? Ooh, stab him. Oh, okay, maybe I am. Oh god. Backtracking everything I was saying. Oh. My controller disconnected. Well, that's awkward. Give me a second. Okay, we're back. Wait, what the fuck? Okay. You guys didn't see it, but my A button, which is my dodge button, turned into my X for a minute after I plugged it in. That was kind of... I'm okay. I swear, I'm not on a... Alright, never mind. Let's go up here. Let's see what's daffling over here. Over yonder. Hello? Oh. Alright, this time. Okay, never mind. Not this time. Oh, we're gonna get it right here. Boom! Oh my god, that actually does so much damage. Oh, he also does a lot of damage too, though. Help me, Mojo. Shoot! We're gonna give him another. No, we're gonna give him another. Never mind, he's gonna give me a shoulder. Fuck. Nope. Boom. Look at that. God. Who said I'm rusty? I said I'm rusty. What was that? Hello? Oh, why are you like extra large? Hello? Alright. Let's do this. Boom! Oh my god, so much damage. Did he just throw up on me? Excuse me? Oh, he poisoned me. What an asshole. God damn, his breath rancid. Rancid breath. Are you good? Some goodies. I refuse to be defeated. Alright, well, you're being a little bit over dramatic for, you know, not fighting anything right now. I'm gonna heal up right here. Oh, lovely, my favorite enemy. Aha, ha ha! No one saw that. Punch him! Oh, hell yeah. Oh, that did nothing. Okay. Bring it on! Shoot him! Wait, what? You're down? Yo. Come on, man. Alright, we're gonna give him the sucker punch. Okay, never mind, he's gonna fucking... Oh, shit. Oh, am I dead? Okay, I'm not dead. Oh god. What? Oh my god. Leave me alone! I'm panicking. No! Oh. Alright, chill. Alright, we're gonna do that. Then we're gonna run in, do that again. Okay. Oh my god, I am so bad. Alright. No problemo. Fucking Cyclops with a hammer. I feel like we're a little bit powerful right now, huh? God, I would be so bad right now if I didn't have, like... What is that? What the fuck is that? Alright. We're going around. What the hell is that? Okay. What the fuck? It's a fucking wheel! Shoot it! Shoot it! Alright. Nice. Good job, Mumyo. You watched and gave me emotional support. I appreciate it. Hello? I never know when someone's gonna fucking drop down and just eat my ass. Hello? I know that big thing is right there, so I ain't doing that. We're gonna go around. Oh, or can we not go around? Oh, we can go around. Alright. Oh. Oh god, it's already dead. I'm just smashing buttons at this point. We have, alright, we do have like that ammo. I don't know what to do. This is kind of like a weird area. I think maybe we should try to like go. Okay. We should try to fight it more here, not near the fire. Oh. No problem. Problem? Where? I don't see a problem. No problemo. No problemo at all. Oh, hello. Oh, God. Shoot him. God, is it me or are we just like, are we OP right now? I feel strong. I feel powerful. Hello? Hello? Alright, I don't know what's down there. Not gonna. Fuck. Alright. I'm scared now, so we're gonna go this way because I don't want to burn to death. Hello? Hello? Oh, there's another one with wheels. I missed. Oh no, I hit that time, but. Ooh. Oh. Oh, is it dead? Oh. Oh yeah, I forgot we're OP. Of course it's dead. Okay. Don't go in the fire. I'm absolutely petrified of fire in this game. It kills me way too fast. Whoa, look at my gloves. They're like glowing purple. Just like my eyes. Look at that. Or hello there. Oh. Alright. Is there anything back here? No. Another rolly thing? Also, who saw me? Oh. Guy shooting at me. Boom! Headshot! Alright, let's go see what's down here. Because I skipped the first ladder. Alright. That one has a gorgeous belly. I keep thinking Mumyo is a fucking enemy. It keeps freaking me out. Like, every time she comes out of the corner of my eye, I kind of like have a little, like, spasm, like, oh. Maya! Oh! I did not know they could headshot. What the fuck is this? Hello? Oh. Oh, God. You know, Mumyo, it would be really nice if you wouldn't, like, just get absolutely stomped out by everything. Fire! Fire! That was the wrong choice. Oh, God. Oh. Fuck. Oh God. Oh no. All right, let's get this started. Let's kick his ass. Boy, this thing sucks. I can't even. Oh my God. just wait for a burst counter? Why am I so bad? I'm scared of you. Oh! Oh, that was huge! Boom! Come on, die, motherfucker. Shoot him! Oh, he shot the wood. That's how it's done. That is how it's done. Ain't done any other way. Oh, that was mission complete. I didn't even know that. Yeah, okay. Well, let's go see if there's oh, I can leave. Okay, so it's gonna kind of make me leave. Alrighty. Go. I guess not. Alright. Oh, fire doesn't hurt anymore. That's good. Get the monies. So we'll end the mission. Proceed. Yes. Alrighty. Well, if you enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe. Next video, probably do another submission. Love you all. Bye-bye.